Hello and welcome to Servicenow crew. On this video we are going to discuss about Gliderecord and how this class works on Servicenow. So let's get started. First, I fetched this definition from the Servicenow documentation, and it says that the Gliderecord class is basically the way in which the developer which is performing a script can interact with the database, and we can reference a list of methods with a specific table records. We can build the query definition, execute the query, and apply the script logic to the records returned in the Gliderecord object. Also, we can add that the Gliderecords run on server-side script, not on client script. Is not that kind of script. And well, let's get started with a small demo of how Gliderecord works. First, the query. Well, let's go to join to our PDI, and we are going to create this variable gr equals to new Gliderecord, and we're going to put here the data table. Well, first, the best practice is non-name gr. We can add a new word as best practice. We're going to use the sysuser table. If you don't know how to get the internal name, just open the table record, copy this, and right here. This is how we are going to initialize with the database interaction, be more specific with the sysuser table. We're going to type .add query in this case. And while we're going to use this able tutor, we're going to look this record looking for the first name field. The structure is field, comma, and value. In this case, first name has the value Abel, so we're going to look for Abel. Then we're going to use same variable gruser.query. This is to execute basically the query on the database, and a conditional with your user next. Basically, next means that the record has been found, and in case of the record has been found, we're going to use glide system info to print a message fetching the information user found. Then we're going to access to the information of the variable with same variable your user dot first name, and well, you're going to add on a space, and no, first name no, we can use the last name, or we can now right click last name, and this is how we can access to the record values. We execute them. You see here able tutor, which is exactly the same values that our founders record has. We're going to copy the sysID. This is basically the best way to identify a record by sysID. If we run again, exactly the same update. So now we are going to update this same record with the same structure. If we found this record by sysid, we can use variable user dot, then the field that we're gonna update equals, in this case, first name is a string value, so we're going to use Aldo and update. If we run this, as you can see, one record of the sysuser table has been updated. If we reload here, oh, yep, this icon means that the field has been updated with Aldo. Insert. So we are going to use exactly the same variable, user, to create a new user record on the sysuser table. We are going to use user initialize to initialize the record user set value, which is the best practice to set field values on an insert Gliderecord. Then put the field name, in this case first name, then comma, and the value, in this case test. So we're going to do the same for different fields. Set value, then we're going to say the last name, then comma, user. We are going to do the same, set value for active user. Then this is a boolean, so we have to set this as true. And set value for email field. Email, then we're going to set an email, test dot user email.com. Okay, so after set all the values of our fields that we are going to populate, we'll use this insert, and if we run this script, and if we go to the sysuser and sort by created, there is new user record with all the values that we have set on our script, Gliderecord script. Then this is an advice for you. If you need get the sysuser, you can use this kind of script. After you can create a new variable. This is equals to the insert. You can see here the log to sysid, and if we go back to the sysuser list and we create a filter by sysid equals to the sysid returned by the script, we are going to get the new record. Delete. So we are going to use exactly the same variable. You're going to use a query by sysid of this recent created record. I'm going to copy the sysid. I forgot to type the add query. Yep. So this is a query. Then query again, because we're going to fetch this record here. Then the conditional if this record is found with the next method, then here user dot delete record. If we run the script, it takes a little bit seconds more, but the record is deleted. If we reload here, the record is not found. So basically this is the way in which you can perform the basic database interactions with Gliderecord. After this, we're going to discuss more Gliderecord advices, so if you have any concern, please leave on the comments.
Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a comment if you have any concern or any other topic in which you would like to discuss on a next video. Thanks for watching. Let's subscribe and see you on next time. Bye bye.